In this video, I will show you how to reset your Mac password. If you forgot your Mac password, you reset it by using the Recovery Assistant in macOS Recovery. Recovery is the built-in tool your Mac uses to make changes to your startup disk. Depending on the type of Mac you have, the way you start up in Recovery is different. If you're using a Mac with Apple Silicon, you'll start up by holding the power button and then choosing Options. If you're using an Intel-based Mac, you'll start up while holding Command-R on your keyboard. Once you're in macOS Recovery, click the Utilities menu at the top of your screen and then choose Terminal. In the Terminal window, type Reset Password with no spaces directly after the short text that appears. Then press the Return key on your keyboard. This opens the Recovery Assistant. Next, click Deactivate Mac and click Deactivate to confirm. This is temporary and does not remove or affect your data. Now, type in a new password that you'd like to use to log into your Mac. Remember, your password is case sensitive. Then, enter the password again into the Verify Password field. Optionally, you can enter a hint to help you remember your new password in case you forget it. Click Next, and your password is now reset. Click Exit, select the Apple menu in the upper left corner of your screen, and choose Restart from the menu. Your Mac will restart to the login window. Just log in with your new password, and you're all done. I hope it helped. Don't forget to follow for more.